Silverback gorillas are some of the most impressive and majestic animals on Earth. They have captivated our attention for centuries with their intelligent, gentle nature and remarkable physical strength. Despite their intimidating size and powerful presence, they are complex creatures who demonstrate a variety of behaviors in different situations. In this video, we'll explore the various behaviors exhibited by silverback gorillas in their natural habitat as well as how these behaviors have changed over time due to human interaction. Silverback gorillas are one of the most awe-inspiring animals to observe in the wild. Native to Central Africa, silverbacks are the largest primates on Earth, growing up to 6 feet tall and weighing up to 400 pounds. They have unique black fur with silver streaks on their back, hence their name silverbacks. This striking feature is due to changes in melanin production when they reach maturity. The strong silver color provides a stunning contrast against their black face, hands, and feet. Silverback gorillas have long arms with powerful hands that can be used to support their weight while walking on all fours or while in a standing position. Other features include broad nostrils, small ears, and eyes set deep within the skull. They also have large canine teeth that protrude from the sides of their mouths and molar teeth for grinding food. Silverback gorilla diet consists mainly of fruits, leaves, stems, and bark from trees as well as small insects such as ants and grubs. They also eat bamboo shoots, herbs, nuts, and seeds when available. The silverback gorilla diet is important for maintaining their health due to the high nutrient content in certain foods they consume. Fruits provide essential vitamins while leaves contain calcium which helps with bone growth as well as protein needed to build muscles. In addition to this, vegetation has fiber which aids digestion while insects are a great source of fatty acids which help support their immune system. Silverback gorillas are an endangered species of ape found in the forests of Central Africa. This large primate is known for its silver fur and impressive physical strength. One of the most important aspects of their successful conservation is ensuring that their habitat has the resources they need to thrive. Silverback gorillas occupy dense, tropical forests with plenty of natural food sources like fruit and vegetation. In addition to providing sustenance, these forests also provide them with a safe refuge from poachers or hunters. The canopy layer within these forests provides vital protection from UV radiation while also allowing them enough space to move freely in search of food or mates. They typically live in small family groups led by a single dominant male silverback who protects his troop from danger and guides them through their home range. The most widely known location where silverback gorillas live is the Virunga Mountains region along the borders of Rwanda, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Several hundred individuals can be found living within this area's national parks, including Volcanoes National Park and Virunga National Park in Congo. In addition to this region, smaller isolated groups can also be found living across Central African countries like Gabon and the Republic of Congo. A silverback gorilla nest is an impressive sight to behold. These nests are built from branches and leaves by the male gorillas of the area. The large structures allow for several animals to sleep within them at once, creating a safe haven out from the elements. Silverback gorillas' mating behavior is one of the most fascinating aspects of the animal. These primates form complex social structures that revolve around strong bonds between males and females, which breeders refer to as harems. During mating, silverback males become even more territorial to protect their harem from other males. Mating among silverbacks is a carefully orchestrated event that begins with courtship rituals. Males will typically display their dominance by beating their chests, charging around, and vocalizing loudly to attract available females in the area. When a male silverback gorilla finds an interested female, he will stay close to her until they eventually mate. However, if multiple males are present in one area at once, they will compete for potential mates through displays of physical aggression or intimidation tactics like head bobbing or chest beating. Female silverbacks typically give birth to one offspring every 4 or 5 years after a 9-month gestation period. The mother will stay with her young until it is weaned at 2 years of age before searching for another mate. The majestic silverback gorilla is one of the most awe-inspiring primates in the world. Renowned for their strength and intelligence, these gentle giants are incredibly social animals that live in family groups known as troops. A troop consists of a male silverback and several females with their offspring. Silverback gorillas communicate with each other through various vocalizations, facial expressions, and postures. These methods of communication can be used to express a variety of emotions such as happiness, fear, dominance, or submission. Silverback gorillas have a strong bond with their troop members and spend much of their time grooming each other and engaging in playful behaviors like chasing or wrestling. They also use gestures to show respect for dominant members of the group or to establish bonds between individuals. In addition to being social creatures, silverback gorillas are also solitary animals that take daily walks on their own within their territorial boundaries. On average, silverback gorillas can live to be anywhere between 35 to 40 years old in the wild. Males typically have a shorter life expectancy due to their lifestyle and dominance. They will often fight rival males for territory or mates. Silverback gorillas are an iconic species of the African jungle and are known for their impressive strength and powerful presence. As one of the largest primates, they have developed several behavioral adaptations to ensure their survival in the wild. One adaptation is their use of vocalizations to communicate with other gorillas within their troop. Silverbacks have distinct calls that warn members of danger or indicate food sources. Furthermore, silverback gorillas display altruistic behavior towards members of their family group, often stepping in to protect younger individuals from potential harm. This type of selfless act not only serves to keep the troop safe but also builds strong social bonds between individuals that can last for years. Silverback gorillas are well known for their impressive physical strength. Standing tall at 6 feet and weighing between 300 and 400 pounds, these animals can lift up to 10 times their own body weight. This makes them one of the strongest primates in existence, even compared to humans. The sheer strength of a silverback gorilla is evident when they rise on 2 legs and beat their chests with powerful arms. During mating, male silverbacks engage in violent wrestling matches with other males as a way of competing for females within the group. These showdowns display an incredible level of agility, as well as tremendous muscular power that allows gorillas to push each other away or stand strong against an attack from another male. Despite their imposing stature, silverback gorillas pose no threat to humans. In fact, these animals are quite shy. Although it's true that silverbacks can be aggressive when defending their territory or families from perceived threats, such aggression is mostly limited to other members of their species. Silverback gorillas may be intimidating due to their sheer size and strength, but most attacks against humans have been the result of captivity or contact with poachers. If people maintain a respectful distance from wild silverbacks and refrain from interfering with them in any way, they shouldn't pose any danger. Silverback gorillas are an iconic species of primates that are facing a concerning threat to their continued survival. These animals, which are native to Central and Western African rainforests, have seen their population numbers decline drastically in recent decades due to human activities such as poaching, logging, habitat loss, and disease. Without swift action from both governments and citizens alike, these magnificent creatures may become extinct soon. The primary factor behind this peril is habitat destruction caused by illegal logging operations and infrastructure development for human settlements. Without adequate forest cover for shelter, silverback gorillas can easily be hunted down by poachers who seek bushmeat or capture them live for sale as exotic pets on the black market. Additionally, diseases like Ebola can wipe out entire populations of these apes if they come into contact with infected humans or other wildlife species. In summary, the silverback gorilla is one of the most fascinating and iconic species in the animal kingdom. Their complex social structure, impressive physical strength, and deep-rooted family values are just a few of the traits that make them so intriguing. Despite their imposing figure, they are gentle, affectionate creatures who live in harmony with their environment. We have a lot to learn from these incredible primates about how we can coexist peacefully with our fellow Earthlings.